All right, so Mikael asks, what is the relation between logos and logic and mathematics that is an extension of logic, really? Is math an ultimate language of angels, a prime minister of angels? There are even all those Sunday school paradoxes about God being almighty but unable to break logic. And so there's definitely a relationship between logos and logic, that's for sure. But I would say the one thing that differentiates logos, at least in the Christian sense, and this is, I think, one of the powerful keys that Christianity has offered, but not only offered, but also, I would say, embodied, maybe, because you could probably see it a little bit in the Neoplatonists, that it's embodied and that is really useful for us right now. And as we see where the sciences are and the questions of relevance realization and of emanation, all these questions, and of not emanation, but what's the word? Man, my mind. I hate when my brain does that. Anyways, the idea is the difference between just logic and the way we think of it and logos is that logos also includes the reason, like not reason in the sense of logic, but reason in the sense of purpose, like the reason for something, the why of it. And so it's not just that it shows the order of it, but it shows that the order of something is bound up in the very reason why it exists. And so the reason why it appears to us as something and not just a bunch of stuff, and so therefore the logos becomes the origin of something. That is, it's the reason why it even comes out of the void of the multiplicity, right? And so there's indefinite possibilities. So out of that comes something. And so there's a reason why it comes out. That reason shows us the order of the thing, but then it also shows us the purpose in the sense of the end of it too. What is it moving towards? Like, what is it aimed at? And so it's easier when we think of things that are directly related to that. Like if you think of a tool, like a hammer, right? The hammer, the reason for the hammer, it's also its aim. It's also the purpose for which it exists. But that's actually true of everything. It's just harder sometimes to see it when it's not something that is made by humans. But nonetheless, all the categories that appear to us as categories of meaning to us. I think Jordan Peterson talked about this quite a bit. He talked about how even when you look at a chair, or even if you look at a certain shape of rock, you actually see, like, that's a place to sit on. Or if you see an object of a certain size, you see it as, this is an object I can grab. There's something about the way the world manifests itself to us, which is always purpose-laden, at the first level. And so this is more related to the idea of logos in the Christian sense.